Come along with me as I stop by Hobby Lobby and check out their after Easter sale. But first, what kind of budget day is it for Angel? It's a brew your own coffee at home day. And my coffee's all buckled safely in the child safety seat, and I'm ready to shop. My color palette for my new home is teal, green, like a light green, white, mustard yellow, and navy. We are painting our kitchen cabinets white, but I do have an island and I'm thinking about painting it this light teal color, or maybe even this darker teal color, or even navy blue, but I am open to suggestions. This isn't set in stone, but another Pinterest-inspired idea. I think this display is really unique. It might look really cool, maybe near my pantry or in my kitchen or even in my hallway. With this new house, I want to change my decorating style completely. I'm thinking new house, new ideas, and so I'm in the market for old picture frames, new picture frames, broken picture frames, because I really think this wreath is so cool, and I think it would look awesome on our front door. I digressed all the way through the store, but I finally made it over to the Easter aisle where everything is 66% off. Now, by the time this video shows, it may be even more than that, and I'm not even really sure what's going to be left at your own local Hobby Lobby. I went ahead and picked up another bag of these eggs at 66% off. They were a great price, and now I need to find a basket to put them in. And I already spotted my yellow. I had to go over and look at these sunflowers and all the bumblebees. I did buy some of this stuff in my last Hobby Lobby haul video, so you'll have to check that out and see what I actually bought. Mark and I went antiquing a few weeks ago, and I love twa. I ended up finding these beautiful twa dishes in a navy blue color, and so I want to see if I can find some other things that might match that and pull it all together. I did see this really cute bathroom picture. I thought it would be kind of cool in the master bath. I am going to put a chandelier in there, but even though the price was really good, I still kind of want to wait for a sale on that because we're on a budget, we're building this new house, and I need to stay on track. Back to my basket wall idea, I want to head over to the basket section because they're 50% off right now and find a few more baskets, and then I'm going to do a totally separate video where I lay out the baskets and make sure they all look good together. I was on my way to checkout when I remembered I needed to find a basket for the eggs I've been buying, and right now they are 50% off, but be sure to check your Hobby Lobby ad because by the time this video runs, they may be having a different sale. Lastly, I found the most perfect basket in all of the land. This one I think will look so cute in that basket collage, and I love that it says kitchen, and I love the price. And so, of course, I had to buy that. This should complete my basket wall. Well, I think that's enough baskets and basket talk for the day. Hopefully I didn't bore you to tears. I promise when I put this all together, it's going to look really cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Angel's Green Acres. I'm so excited to be taking you guys along with us on this journey to building our dream home and learning how to homestead.